I have been using a refurbished second-hand OnePlus 9 Pro for the last 3 months, and this video is about my experiences, problems that I faced, and an answer to the question whether it is good to buy a second-hand OnePlus 9 Pro in 2022, 2023 or even in 2024. By the way, watch this video completely to learn more about the first phase of my giveaway that's happening now. OnePlus 9 Pro is a 2021 flagship phone with LTPO AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display, Snapdragon 888 CPU and superb cameras. This phone is a worthy successor to the OnePlus 8 Pro and is even better than OnePlus 10 Pro in some aspects. The display is really bright and vibrant. Everything is clearly visible even under direct sunlight. The QHD Plus mode is extremely sharp, while 120Hz refresh rate makes the experience even better. The colors on this phone's display looks really good, but they are not as good as a Samsung's flagship. The OnePlus 9 Pro even supports Airtel 5G without any further software updates. Coming to cameras, the 14 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 8 megapixel telephoto camera along with the 2 megapixel black and white camera are really outstanding. This phone is capable of recording 4K videos at 60 fps as well as 120 fps, and along with that you can even record 8K videos at 30 fps. The camera quality and performance is really great, and OnePlus 9 Pro camera test shows how true value for money this phone is. But I experienced a problem with the telephoto camera that some others might have experienced as well. When zoomed in, the lens finds it difficult to focus and the focus keeps automatically jumping from one point to another. If you are recording a video with the telephoto camera, it stands out as an irritant. You can clearly see here how the focus is continuously shifting from one point to the other even without me doing anything much. I think this problem is due to a software bug, as even my previous OnePlus 8 Pro's telephoto camera had the same problem. Here is a video of a butterfly that I had shot last year with OnePlus 8 Pro, and you can see how there is a stutter and focus shift automatically. Apart from this, the phone also becomes very hot when we are using camera continuously, especially if we are outdoors shooting some videos and photos. Coming to the hardware, the performance by the Snapdragon 888 CPU is really good. I use the OnePlus 9 Pro for editing videos instead of my PC, as this phone is really good and everything works flawlessly without any hang and lag. The video rendering is also quite fast and everything is quite snappy. OnePlus 9 Pro gaming test shows the true grit of the CPU. The settings of PUBG New State are maxed out for the gameplay with HD textures installed. The gameplay is smooth, the colors are punchy and the detailing is really superb. Every blade of grass looks very good. OnePlus 9 Pro will handle beautiful games like Genshin Impact very well. The main drawback of the CPU is how it eats the battery. If you are using the phone for gaming, then you will have to charge the battery at least twice a day. Battery life is the most disappointing thing on OnePlus 9 Pro. I get only around 6 hours of maximum screen on time even if I use dark mode all the time and keep the screen brightness very low. When the phone is set to QHD Plus resolution and the refresh rate is 120Hz, the battery life is very poor. However, charging test shows how the phone full charges in around 40 minutes time. Another problem that I faced on OnePlus 9 Pro is that when I am copying huge files with an OTG pen drive, it becomes corrupt and is unreadable. This happens for movies, videos, etc. of size more than 1 GB. I tried with different pen drives, but every one of these showed the same exact problem. So when I always try to copy big files from the phone to my computer or somewhere else, I have to use a Type-C to USB 2.0 cable so that I can transfer the files without any corruption. This is really a bad thing, as the phone is having 256 GB of internal storage and we could download almost anything that we want, and when it comes to sharing, it's really a pain. Now, coming to the question of buying a refurbished second-hand OnePlus 9 Pro, I'll strongly suggest you to buy this phone over any other phone in 35 to 40k price segment now. The second-hand prices of OnePlus 9 Pro in OLX with an extended warranty is almost like in the range of 35 to 40,000 rupees. I had bought this phone from OLX for 39k rupees, and now after making this video and using it for almost like 4 months, I have sold it again for the same price. Another thing is that when you are buying a refurbished or second-hand phone, you have to check the phone carefully and see whether there are any defects or any software bugs or anything. So finally, if you are getting this phone for around 35 to 40k rupees, this phone is definitely a must buy. But the only thing that you won't like is the battery backup. Apart from that, everything is really superb. This giveaway is how I am gonna share half of my first YouTube income with my subscribers who are my support. I am planning on giving a Bluetooth speaker and a Bluetooth earphone or headphone this month by a lucky draw. All you have to do is click the link pinned in the comments below, enter your details and stay tuned to the date of lucky draw. Share this to your friends and family members as well and help them too.